Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring connectivity and credentials so you can act immediately. Sign into Windows locally if needed, then open Settings right arrow accounts. Once there, check whether the account is listed as Microsoft or local and collect your recovery phone or email. If you can't sign in, use the sign-in options link to switch to a PIN or password. Do this now because having those items ready prevents delays during verification and resets. You'll now repair the link between Windows and Microsoft servers. Re-authenticate when prompted, enter the latest password and any two-step code. That restores tokens. Next, check for duplicate or work profiles under Access Work or School and disconnect stale connections. Once done, force a sync of your settings and OneDrive, toggling sync items off and on refreshes state. If sign-in fails, remove the account and re-add it. This recreates local credentials and often fixes corrupted tokens. Finish by rebooting and signing back in to confirm everything works. Check OneDrive, Mail, and Store. Make sure Windows Update is current because missing patches can block authentication. If problems persist, create a new local admin account, add the Microsoft account there, and migrate files. This isolates profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication errors remain after these steps, remove saved credentials via Credential Manager and then re-add the account. Clearing stale tokens often solves stubborn sign-in failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.